It is not enough to go to a gospel crusade like this. It's not enough to raise your hand and pray a prayer. It's not enough to go to church. It's not enough to be baptized. It's not enough to put money in an offering plate. It's not enough to sing in the choir. It's not enough to be religious. It's not enough to be called a Christian. Here is the truth. When you meet Jesus, your life must change. When you meet Jesus, you cannot walk the way you used to walk. When you meet Jesus, you cannot talk the way you used to talk. When you meet Jesus, you cannot live the way you used to live. Your life has to change. Say amen.